What is up, YouTube? Today we've got pack opening. We've got 3 packs here. We've got 2 Fates Collide and 1 Roaring Skies. So let's open these up. We're going to leave our Alakazam for the back because we're hoping to get him. So we'll leave him for the super cool pack. Leave him for the back, and let's do the Roaring Skies in the middle. So let's open these up, see what we can't pull out of them. Alright, put 3 to the back, or 3 to the front, I should say. We got a Mega Catcher, Wigglytuff, got a Dugong, Snivy, Solosis, Fennekin, got a Wishmer, Seal, we have a Reverse Hollow Riolu, and a Moltres. Very cool. Definitely love legendary birds. So happy with that. Still looking for some EXs. But let's get into the Roaring Skies. Alright, and this code card I'm actually going to go ahead and give you guys. We're going to save the other ones for our Friday giveaway. But there you go. So put that to the side. 3 from the back. Goes to the front. And we have a Steven. Have a Silicone. I'm going to get that glare. That card's kind of light. Got a Healing Scarf. And a Togepi. Then Cata. Dunsparce. And a Wingull. Dratini. Reverse Hollow Skarmory, which is a rare. Very cool. And a Dustox Ancient Traits, I believe is what they call this. So, very cool. Gonna leave those 2 cards over here with our Moltres. So, cool cards there. But we're gonna leave it up to our Alakazam, Mr. Super Cool Pack Pick himself, and see what we can get out of this. Alright. You're going to take 3 from the back, put them in the front. Alright, we got our Loudred, a Alakazam Spirit Link, so maybe we can call him out. Got a Wormadam, Pinnacle, Riolu, Michiano, got a Wishmer, Snivy, another Reverse Hollow Riolu, and a Hollow White Kyurem. So a Hollow rare. Definitely not an Alakazam, but still very worth it. So let's go over real quick what we got. We got our regular rare Moltres, still like that. Our reverse rare Skarmory, very happy with that. Ancient Trait Dustox, and our Hollow White Kyurem. So very happy. Let me know what you guys think. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. And y'all have a good one.